Getting the sardines on.
Off the board.
Okay. Words. Doors. Keep going. Bang, you're on. Bang, you said it. Bang, you're off. And everything will work out perfect.
Yes, and I'm Dotty Otley, and I'm the producer of the show. And of course, I'm in the show. I play Mrs. Clackett, the housekeeper. Yes, I knew right from the beginning that we needed a very professional crew for this show, and so we put that together, and all the way from the top down to our assistant stage manager, Poppy Norton-Taylor.
I think I'm gonna be sick.
Well, with Poppy calling the show, it will be flawless. So get your tickets, please.